Hello guys, welcome back. I'm your faculty Sudarshan for your QA paper and your success mentor for your CA foundation level. So, in this video, we have taken a Jan 2026 RTP for quantitative aptitude. So, we are going to solve this. Question number 1. If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4, then value of 2A plus 3B is to 3A plus 4B, which is from ratios and proportion. So what we need to do, we just need to substitute the values of A equal to 3, B equal to 4 in this option, so that we will be getting 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3 into 4 is 12, which is the 18 is to 3 into 3 is 9 plus 4 into 4 is 16, which is 25. 18 is to 25. Orally, we can solve. Come to question number 2. Question number 2 is slightly a most important question, which is from mixtures and alligation. That is, we will be using called alligation rule. Two alloys contain silver and copper in the ratio of 3 is to 1 and 5 is to 3. In what ratio the two alloys should be added together to get a new alloy having a silver and copper in the ratio of 2 is to 1. So new silver, old silver and copper is 3 by 4. Old silver and copper is 5 by 3. These are the two alloys which we will be having. Based on that, if we add together, we will be getting new alloy of 2 by 3. Now what we guys can do, we will apply the mixtures of rules and alligation. What is it? 3 by 4. We need to write 5 by 3 over here. In the center, we will need to get a requirement value. From this, we will subtract the values. We will eliminate the values. This is minus sign. 3 by 4 minus 5 by 3. Sorry, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Sorry. What is it, guys? Sorry, guys. Sorry. It is 5 by 8. It is also 5 by 8. So it is 5 by 8 or 2 by 3 minus 5 by 8. That is not going to have any impact. So we will be writing 15 minus 16 by 24, which is nothing but 1 by 24. 4 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 8 by 12, which is 1 by 12. So they said added together. What is meant by added together? 1 by 24 silver by copper added together. 1 by 12, which is 1 by 24 into 12 by 1. If I cancel it out, I will be getting 1 by 2. My answer is option B. Now come to question number 3. If log cube root of 2 to the base x is equal to 1 by 15. How I can write this as log 2 power 1 by 3 to the base x equal to 1 by 15. As it is in the exponential form, if it is in exponential form, I can take this, I can rewrite this equation as 2 power 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 15 power x. So, in the next way, we can rewrite this equation, or wait, we can rewrite this equation as 2 power 1 by 3 equal to x power 1 by 15. Like this, we can write it in the exponential form. Okay. Basically, 5 square is equal to 25. Yeah. Okay. So this can be written as log 25 to the base 5 equal to 2. Similarly, how we can write in the next way, we can take the power to the opposite side. Then it will become 1 by 3 into reciprocal of 15 by 1 equal to x. If I cancel it out, it is 2 power 5 equal to x. 2 power 5 equal to x means x is equal to 32 is our answer. Option B. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. What is this question number 4? If alpha and beta be the roots of the equation 2x square minus x minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0, the value of alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This was the formula. Now we need alpha plus beta. What is meant by alpha plus beta? Whenever it is the equation ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0, we can do alpha plus beta is equal to is nothing but sum of roots is nothing but minus b by a. It is nothing but minus of minus 4 by a, which is 2, which is equivalent to minus minus gets minus into minus plus 4 by 2 is 2. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is c? Minus 3 divided by 2, which is equivalent to minus 3 by 2. If I substitute, it is 2 square into 2 into minus 2 into minus 3 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, 4 minus into minus become plus, 3 2s are 6 plus 6, wait, minus 2 minus 3 by 2, you will be cancelling out, minus into minus plus 3, you will be getting answer as 7. Now come to the next question. Mr. A plans to invest up to 30,000. Up to means maximum. Maximum he can do 30,000, not more than that, in two stocks of x and y. X is 175. So 175 of x plus 95 of y. Maximum he can do is what? 30,000. So maximum means less than or equal to option A. When it is minimum, it is greater than or equal to. Minimum investment I can make up to 30,000 means it's greater than or equal to. Up to means it's maximum. Up to means maximum. The differences between the components now comes to the our area, our fort, mathematics of finance, guys. The difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on a certain sum for 2 years at the rate of 6% per annum is 13.5. So 2 years they are asking. So we know the shortcut, which is pi square. So pi square is equal to 13.5. So what you guys can do, they are asking p, that is basically a sum, equal to 13.5 by I square. So take a calculator. 13.5 divided by 6 percentage divided by 6 percentage. 13.5 divided by 6 percentage divided by 6 percentage. You will be getting 3750. The effective rate of interest corresponding to the nominal rate 3 percentage half yearly. The formula is 1 plus I whole power n minus 1. This is what effective rate of interest formula. Or alternatively, what you guys can do, it is 3% half yearly. So half yearly means 1.5 percentage, 1.5 percentage. So assume 100 plus 1.5 percentage plus 1.5 percentage minus 100. If you do, you will be getting the answer 100 plus 1.5 percentage plus 1.5 percentage minus 100. If you do, you will be getting 3.225 percentage. Option C is your answer. Every 2% shakes hands with each other in a party and the total number of handshakes is 66. So number of person doing a handshake is 2. To do a handshake we need two hands, of two persons hands we need. Okay, that it's total 66 handshakes. For one handshake we need how many person? 2 person. So for this we will have two approach. One is QA approach, one is AQ approach. It is not quantitative aptitude, it is not additional question. Question to answer, answer to question. For this we'll go with AQ approach. We'll take option A and we'll substitute in the nth place 11C2. What is 11C2 is 11 into 10 divided by 2 into 1, which is equivalent to 55. Definitely not my answer. Now come to option B. What is option B is 12C2. What is 12C2 is 12 into 11 divided by 2 into 1. If I cancel it out, I will be getting 66. So number of guests in a party is what? 12 guests. The ways of selecting four letters from the word examination. Actually speaking, this is from your ICA study material. Mostly the RTP questions are from the ICA study material only, majorly. Okay, now listen. Actually speaking, on this particular area there are repetitions there. What are the repetition? AA is repetition, NN is repeated, IS repeated twice, then E is there, X is there, M is there, then T is there, O is there. So these are the five. Now they are asking four letter word. How I can select the four letter word? First thing, first case, it can be of two alike pairs, two alike pairs, or In my second case, one alike pair plus means and two different word letter, or number 3 will be all four are different. Okay, what is two alike pair? There are three alike pairs. On that I can select two, so that four letters will be selected. Okay, so from 3 I should select 2, so 3C2 which is equivalent to 3, or means it is plus. Okay, and means it is multiple. Or means plus, and means multiple. Okay, plus. Now you guys tell me one alike pair. One alike pair means out of three alike pair, I can select only one alike pair. So the two letters will be selected. So it is 3C1 into y into and two different letters. What are the two different letters? Suppose if I selected out of three, if I selected AA or NN or II, any one if I selected, that two letters will come. And then suppose if I selected AA, then NN I should treat them as one different letter. Then I is only one different, E is one different, X is one, M is one, T is one, O is one. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Out of 7, I should select remaining 2. Why it is 2? 3C1 means AA will be selected. Two letters is selected. Now I only want two letters to select a total 4 letter. So what is that two letter I want? Either from remaining 7 I want the remaining 2. So that maximum I was saying that the repetition in this case can be allowed over here. 3C1 is 3. 3C1 is 3 into 7C2. 7C2, 7 into 6 divided by 2 into 1, which is equivalent to 21. So 21, which is equivalent to 21 into 3, which you know it is 63. Plus 4 different, all 4 are different. A, 1, N, 3, I is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 is there. On that I need to select 4. So it is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, which is 2 into 7 into 5, 2 into 7 into 5, which is equivalent to 70. So 70 plus 63 plus 3, which is equivalent to 136. Option A is your answer. Now come to question number 10. A box contains 7 red and 6 white and 4 blue balls. How many selections of 2 balls, only 2 balls to be selected, can be made so that none is red? None is red means you need to remove, red should not be there. So only out of 10 balls you can select 2. So 10C2, 10C2 is 10 into 9 divided by 2, which is equivalent to 45. Find the sum of 10 terms of GP with first term and the common ratio is being 8 and 3. First term means A is equal to 8, common term, common ratio R is equal to 3. As they given sum of 10 terms, we have a shortcut for this. What is the shortcut for this? A calculated trick is A plus equal to R into A equal to. If we'll just see that. What is A? 8 plus equal to. Cancel it. 8 plus equal to. We keep it on memory. We keep it on memory. In the corner, it is showing 3. In the corner it is showing 3. Then what you guys do, first press R. 3 into 8, 3 into 8, you need to press equal to. If you press equal to, you will be getting in the corner, it is showing only 6. If it is in the corner it is showing 6, it is only 24, means we are in the second term. Second term means 4 additionally it is showing. They are asking 10 terms. So we will go up to, in the corner we will go up to 14 over here. Keep on going, press equal to button up to you reaches 14. After 13, slow down. You got 14, huh? Once you got 14, press GT. You got 236192. 236192. Now guys, come to question number 12. Interesting question guys. The sum of progression a plus b, a minus b of n terms is given. We know what is the common ratio, what is the progression. AP is nothing but forward term minus backward term. What is GP is forward term by backward term. Okay, now as we are doing, we'll just see going with the forward term minus backward term minus forward term minus backward term. A into a minus a plus b, which is equivalent to a minus a plus b. A gets cancelled. You will be getting minus b. Now forward term minus backward term. A minus b minus a is equal to plus a minus a gets cancelled. You will be getting minus 3. So D becomes, my difference became minus b. My difference is minus b, guys. Once my difference is minus b, a is nothing but a plus b. What is this a, sir? A means this is a first term. This is not actual a. This is a first term. This is a difference. Okay. Now we need to substitute in the sum formula. What is the sum formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula. In that we will substitute that. I will be having one more shortcut also. I will be teaching you that as well. N by 2. N by 2 I will keep n by 2 as the same. 2 into a. A is nothing but a plus b. Plus what is this n? N minus 1. D is nothing but minus b. Okay. D is nothing but minus b. Now on the next thing, n by 2 into 2a plus 2b minus nb minus into minus plus b, you will be getting, so that n by 2 is equal to nb you are having a or bn, whatever the case, so that it will be writing as 2a plus 3b minus nb or bn for that matter. So how we can simplify this? Whether the option is given or not, yes, na plus 2a. If you take b outside, it became 3 minus n. So your answer is option B. Or if I was someone, I will be using this alternative. What is this alternative, sir? Which is nothing but S2. What is this S2? This is S1. This is S2. S2 is nothing but T1 plus T2. So this is T1. This is T2. If we add both, I will be getting S2. So what is S2 is A plus B plus A, which is equivalent to 2A plus B. Correct. So wherever in the option, wherever n is there, I need to substitute 2. Okay. Suppose I'm substituting in option A, I will not get. I will substitute in option B. So 2 by 2 into 2A plus 3 minus n into B, which is equal to 2 gets cancelled. You will be getting 2A, n is there na, so 3 minus 2, 2A plus B, 2A plus B. Both the answers are correct, so that we'll be choosing option B is our answer. Now come to question number 13, guys. 13 is from the set. They are asking A into B intersection C. First, try to find B intersection C. What is B intersection C is? B intersection C is 5. Now, what do you need to do? A into multiple. A multiple is nothing but what? 2 comma 3. So, if I multiple this, it will become 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 5. So 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 5, option A is your answer. Now come to question number 14. What is this 14 is all about? Fog for the functions of f of x equal to x square into g of x is equal to x plus 1. What is this fog means? Fog is nothing but f of g of x. What is f of g of x? It is nothing but functions of g of x. Functions of g of x should be taken. So how I can write this as? Come on, guys. How I can write this? F into g of x, I should write f x plus 1. They said f of x is nothing but x square. So f of x, that is nothing but x square, x plus 1 the whole square. My answer is option D is my answer. Okay. Next, 15. limit whereas x extends to t, x extends to t, x cube minus t cube divided by x square minus t square is evaluated to be. How I can substitute this, sir? What kind of continuity is this? If I substitute t in the x place, t cube minus t cube becomes 0 in the numerator, t square minus t square becomes 0 in the denominator as well. In both the situation, it becomes 0. Means it is having the indeterminate limits. At that particular point of time, we'll be following L'Hopital rule, which is nothing but L'Hopital rule. What does this rule says? You should differentiate with respect to x. You should differentiate with respect to x. If you are trying to differentiate with respect to x, numerator becomes 3x square. T cube, as it is a constant, it is going to be 0 divided by 2x. Now substitute the value of t. Now substitute the value of t over here. It will become 3t square divided by 2t. 3t square divided by 2t. T gets cancelled. It is divided by 3t divided by 2. 3 by 2t. Option C. Now come to question number 16. Limit x extends to 2. So I will be substituting 2 in the numerator. 2 into 2. 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 7 into 2 plus 6, which is nothing but 14 minus 14 equal to 0. Again coming in the denominator also, 5 square, 2 square is 4. 5 4s are 20. So 20 minus 11 into 2 is 22 plus 2, which is again 0. So in this time also we will be following this L'Hopital rule. In that will be first differentiate with respect to the values. It will become 4x minus 7 divided by 10x minus 11. So this becomes 0. That is what the differential is. Then limit x extends to 2. Now we will be substituting over here. Okay, after differentiation of f dash of x, that is nothing but g of x, we'll be substituting it. So it will become 8 minus 7 divided by 20 minus 11, which is equivalent to 1 by 9. So my answer is option A. Now come to question number 17, guys. The question number 17 is about integration of 0 extends to 2 3 x square into dx is equal to. How I can substitute this as 3 into x cube by 3, which is 3 3 gets cancelled, which is basically x cube. X cube is nothing but, I want to substitute the values. Yes. Now we will be doing 3 comma 2. Now we will be doing x cube. X cube is nothing but 2 cube minus 2 power 0. 0. So it is nothing but 8. Option C is your answer. Question number 18, guys. The differentiate the derivative of 8x square minus 2x plus 5 with respect to x. The differentiate with respect to x. So it has become 8 into x square. If I differentiate, it becomes 2x minus 2 plus 5. So it is nothing but 16x minus 2 plus 5. This is basically 0. 16x minus 2. Now come to question number 19, guys. 19 is from the statistics. We can play in 3 minutes. We'll complete this. The entire upper part of the table. The entire upper part of the table, guys. It is nothing but box set. What is the qualitative characteristics of an is known as attribute? Quantitative is variable. Their variable differentiation is discrete and continuous. If each item is reduced by 12, AM is nothing but arithmetic mean. If it is an arithmetic mean, what is it, guys? It is nothing but change of scale and shift of origin. Both will be affected. AM will be affected by both shift of origin as well as the change of scale. So if any item is reduced by 12, my AM will also be reduced by 12. And O give or OJ can be prepared in two different way. 2. Why does 2? One is less than OJ and next one is more than OJ. The median, we'll try, they are asking the median 3 6 7, only 7 odd numbers, so it is easier for us to find. First try to arrange it in the ascending order. 26, 27, 30, 42, 44, sorry, 37, 42, 44, 51, 37 is my answer, median. Three numbers I leave, three numbers I leave. Or else n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. So n is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4th observation. 4th observation is nothing but 37. Now come to question number 24. What is this question number 24 about? If the relationship between x and y is given by 4x minus 6y equal to 13, if the median is 16, what is it? Median is also affected by both shift of origin as well as change of scale. Just substitute it in the option. 4 into 16 minus 13 divided by 6 equal to y. So 4 into 16 minus 13 divided by 6 is equal to 8.5 is my answer. R is equal to 0.8. What is the coefficient of determination? Coefficient of determination is nothing but R square. What is this R square? 0.8 into equal to 0.64. 2x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. 3x minus y minus 5 equal to 0 are the two regression equation. Then find the value of the mean of x and mean of y. So they are asking basically x bar and the y bar. In that particular point of time, there are two methods. One is simultaneous equation method, or else you can also substitute QA also done, or AQ can be done. Answer to question. So we will be going with answer to question. We'll take option A. We'll try to substitute in the equation. We'll try to substitute both the values in both the option. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 5 minus 9 equal to 0. Yes, condition number 1 is satisfied. Come to second equation. 3 into 1 is 3 2s are 6 minus y is 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Yes, all the conditions are satisfied. My answer is option A. This is what you should do it in the examination, guys. Where when r equal to 0, then what is the covariance of x comma y is equal to? What is this covariance of x comma y? You know the formula r equal to covariance of x comma y into standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. If r becomes 0, then this entire value, if I cross multiple, this becomes 0. So that my covariance of x comma y will also be a 0. The two regression lines became identical. When it became identical at that particular point of time, you will be getting r equal to plus or minus 1. So it is both option A or B. For a m into n classification of a bivariate data, the maximum number of conditional distribution. What is this m into n? What is this option is given? That is nothing but conditional distribution is something which is having the number of rows at the sum of number of rows into sum of number of columns. That is, assume this is p into q. This is an institute committed a mistake. Either the question to be changed, that is for p into q classification, what are the bivariate maximum number of conditional distribution, what I can do, it is nothing but p plus q, sum of rows plus sum of columns. So circular test is satisfied by which index number? The last question, guys. In just 28 minutes, 29 minutes, we are completing this. Circular test is satisfied by which index number? It is not by last pair, it is not by passage, it is not by Fisher, it is by simple geometric mean of price relative and then aggregate with fixed weights. With this, signing off of Sudarshan. We will see it in the next video very soon and have a good day, guys.